Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to do a review on something a little different today. I typically don't review stuff like this on my channel, but somebody sent me one of these and I've been using it at work and I actually wanted to do a review on it. This is a face mask from a company called P-Tek. They're located up in Dayton, Ohio, and if you didn't know, all your PPE companies, all that stuff's not made in America. Your masks, your rubber gloves, none of that. This is actually completely made in USA. And what you get in the box is a rubber face mask with a filter that's replaceable inside, and it comes with an extra filter. You can buy these on their website. It is not something that you'd traditionally want to wear walking around town. Everybody's buying these cloth masks because of COVID, but they're not really filtering anything. So if you're wearing a mask for COVID and you want something that's actually going to filter, this is definitely a mask for you. The reason I've been wearing it at work is because I have to wear a mask in any of the buildings where I work. I sit with students and I have to wear it for a couple hours at a time, and I hate breathing through these cloth masks. They get hot. I just can't breathe through them well. Believe it or not, I can breathe through this way better than I can a cloth mask, and it's actually filtering. It seals comfortably. It fits very nice. The straps are adjustable. You can cut them after you've adjusted them if you don't want stuff hanging down. And then they actually make little covers that go over them, like decorative covers, so it doesn't look like you're wearing a manufacturing or a biohazard mask on your face, if that's what you want. Now, they currently sell to hospitals and manufacturing facilities, but you can get on their website and just buy one for yourself if you wanted one. They come in multiple colors and the option to put the covers over them. So yeah, I thought it was pretty interesting. I'll post the specs on the screen of this as well. If you want to check them out, there are links down in the description. I think you'd really enjoy one of these if you're worried about COVID and wearing a mask everywhere, or you work somewhere that you have to wear a mask daily. This might be a better option than what you're currently wearing at work. So let me know what you think. Have you guys seen these? Have any of you tried them, or would you be willing to try them? I'm not getting paid for this. I don't have no discount or affiliate link or anything. I just thought it was a pretty neat one to share with you guys. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you can get notified when we put out new content. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.